Welcome, Atlavish. Today I got an interesting set of miscellaneous problems from permutation combination. So the first question, miscellaneous means it's kind of connecting to the other topics as well. So let's look at the first question. The number of ways four friends can stay in 10 hotels such that all friends do not stay in same hotel. Okay. So you have to try and understand this. So the people are distinct, the hotels are different. So there are four friends. So I'm not so good in artistic skills as you all know. So for each person, you can literally look at the number of options available. There are 10 hotels. So this person one can go to any one of the 10 hotels. So he's got 10 ways to choose it. Same way for person two, same way for person three, same way for person four. So all of them, let's say they choose independently. So it's 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. So this will give us 10 power 4 ways. But there is a restriction here. Restriction is all the friends do not stay in the same hotel. Meaning all P1, P2, P3, P4, all of them cannot go to a single hotel. So in that regards, P1, P2, P3, P4, uh, if they had gone, all of them, all the four had gone to hotel 1, that's a wrong way. Similarly, if P1, P2, P3, P4, all of them had gone to hotel 2, that's also a wrong way. So like that, we can say there will be 10 wrong ways. So we need to remove the 10 wrong ways from the total number of ways. So from 10 power 4, if you remove 10, so this will be the answer for our question. So 10 power 4, as you know, it's 10,000. 10,000 minus 10. So it will be 9,990 ways. Okay. Hope you enjoyed that problem. So let's look into the next miscellaneous question. Set A has four elements and set B has five elements. Okay. They have not told us what elements are, but they're just saying there are four elements in set A and five elements in set B. Next question is number of one-to-one functions from A to B. So what is this one-to-one function? That means for every input, there is a unique output. So let's say the inputs in set A are A, B, C, and D. I mean, the elements in set A are A, B, C, and D. And there are some elements in set B, which is like say E, F, G, H, and I. So as they had mentioned, there are five elements. So I have taken like five elements in set B. So this one-to-one function means now I have to map A to any one of these five numbers. But like say if I'm mapping A to E, then E cannot be mapped to any of this B or C or D. So that's what this one-to-one function means. One-to-one actually means every input giving a unique output. Every input gives unique output. Okay. So now like we can clearly understand then for like say if I start with A has five choices, then B will have only four choices, then C will have three choices, and D will have two choices. So they are happening simultaneously. So 5 into 4 into 3 into 2, which is basically our 5 factorial. So there will be 120 possible mappings which you can create. So this is a miscellaneous question. As you can clearly understand, they are trying to connect the functions topic definition to the permutation combination. Okay. Next, 3 dice are rolled. Number of possible outcomes, number of possible outcomes in which at least one dice shows 5. So now you can see the word at least has been used. So there are 3 dice. So there is a possibility, a highest possibility that all the 3 dice show 5. All the 3 die show 5. That will happen like 5 comma 5 comma 5, which means it's only one way that can happen. So now let's say 2 dice show 5. Let's say 2 dice show 5. So that will be like 5 comma 5 comma x. So that the other number could be anything. Okay, or 5 comma x comma 5, or x comma 5 comma 5. In each of this, we are considering x to be any other number apart from 5, which means it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, or 6. So we have still 5 other choices. So this can happen in 5 ways. This can happen in 5 ways. And this can happen in 5 ways. They are independent cases, so we need to add them up. So 5 plus 5 plus 5. Altogether, we have 15 ways this can happen. So now let me bring it to only one die shows 5. Only one die shows 5. So it could be 5 comma x comma y, x comma 5 comma y, or x comma y comma 5. So in this case, this x can take any number again apart from 5. There are 5 ways for it. And y also can take any number apart from 5. So again, there'll be 5 ways for it. So 5 into 5, there'll be 25 ways for this. So individually, this will also have 25 ways. And this will also have 25 ways. We can add them up. If we add all this, so we'll get totally 75 ways. So for a final answer, we need to add all this number of ways. So one way, 15 ways. So 1 plus 15, 16 plus 75. So altogether, we have 91 ways in which at least one dice will be showing 5. Okay. So hope you liked this miscellaneous problems on PNC. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.